Chapter 8: Video Content: Using Neural Networks to Create Videos, Animation, and Editing. Today, video is the most effective way to convey your ideas to an audience. However, traditional video production has always been complex and expensive. Artificial intelligence is completely changing this situation, making the creation of professional videos accessible to everyone. Now you don't need a professional studio to create impressive videos. AI becomes your director, animator, and editor, allowing you to turn ideas into finished videos in minutes. This chapter will show you how to use neural networks to create video content that will attract attention and generate income. The traditional video creation process involves many stages, each requiring time and resources. Scripting, writing, storyboarding. Filming, working with camera, lighting, sound. Editing, cutting footage, adding effects, overlaying music. Post-production, color correction, final processing. AI tools automate each of these stages, significantly reducing time and effort. You can use neural networks to generate ideas and scripts. Ask AI for 5 video ideas for YouTube that match your channel, and then ask it to write a detailed script with visual cues. Generate video from text. There are services that create full-fledged videos based on text descriptions, using stock footage, animation, and voiceovers. Create animation. Neural networks can turn static images into animated videos. Automate editing. Some tools can automatically edit videos, remove pauses, and add transitions. Overview of key tools for video. More and more services are appearing on the market that simplify video work. We will look at those with the greatest potential for earnings. Synthesia is one of the most powerful tools for creating videos with virtual avatars. You simply enter text, select an avatar and language, and the neural network will create a professional video with a lifelike person who voices your text. This is ideal for training courses, news reports, and presentations, where a professional look is important, but there is no time or budget for filming. Pictory is a service that automatically turns your text into videos. It finds suitable stock footage, adds background music, and subtitles. This is an excellent choice for quickly creating videos for social media or blogs. Runway ML is a platform that offers a set of tools for working with video. It allows you to remove objects from a frame, change backgrounds, generate video from text, and much more. Runway ML is kind of a Photoshop for video that opens huge opportunities for creativity without complex editing skills. Creating videos with AI is much easier than it seems. Let's break down a step-by-step process that will allow you to quickly create videos for YouTube, TikTok, or your blog. Step 1. Creating a script and idea. Start with what you already have: text. Use ChatGPT to generate a script for your video. You can ask it, write a script for a 5-minute educational video on how to use ChatGPT to create a content plan. The script should include an introduction, 3 main points, and a conclusion. Step 2. Generating video with an avatar. Take the finished script and use Synthesia. Paste the text into the program, select a virtual avatar that will voice it, and choose the language. The neural network will automatically generate a video where the avatar will speak your text, synchronizing lip movements. This is ideal for creating news reports, educational videos, and presentations where a professional look is important, but there is no time or budget for filming. Step 3. Creating video from text and images. If you need to create a video without an avatar, use Pictory. Paste the text, and the service itself will select stock footage and images that match your script. Pictory will edit them, add transitions, music, and automatically generate subtitles. This is a great way to create videos for social media or presentations when you need to quickly visualize information. Step 4. Animation and visual effects. If you want to achieve static images, use tools like Runway ML. You can upload a picture and turn it into a short animated video by adding motion. Runway ML also allows you to remove objects from a frame or replace the background, which provides limitless possibilities for creativity without complex editing skills. Useful tips for working with video AI. Manual refinement. Always use AI as a starting point. Neural networks can do a certain amount of work, but the final processing and adding your own style always remain with you. Clear technical task for AI. The more accurate and detailed your prompt for a script or video generation, the better the final result will be. Don't be lazy to describe the details. Adaptation for platforms. Remember that a horizontal format, 16 by 9, is better suited for YouTube, and a vertical format, 9 by 16, for TikTok and Reels. Consider this when creating videos, as some services allow you to set proportions. Monetizing video content created with AI. Creating videos is not only a creative process, but also a great way to earn money. AI tools open new opportunities for monetizing video content. Here are some proven ways to turn your videos into income. First, creating and selling training courses. Using services like Synthesia, you can quickly create professional-looking training videos. This allows you to launch online courses on any topic, from SMM to finance, without spending money on filming. Make video lessons for YouTube to attract subscribers and then offer them paid courses. Create corporate videos for employee training. Second, freelance video content. You can offer video creation services to clients. SMM specialists use AI to quickly create reels, stories, and other videos for social media. This will allow you to manage more projects simultaneously. Bloggers and entrepreneurs offer services for creating commercials, videos for websites or presentations using tools like Pictory and Runway ML. This will allow you to create unique content for clients without the need for expensive equipment and studio filming. Third, monetization on YouTube and TikTok. Create a constant stream of content with AI. Voiceover channels. Use AI to voice news, educational, or entertainment videos. You can create videos based on articles, blogs, or just text requests, and the neural network will do all the work for you. Animated videos. Use AI to create short animated videos that can go viral on TikTok. Conclusion. AI allows you to be a screenwriter, director, cameraman, and editor simultaneously, significantly speeding up the content creation process and opening up new opportunities for earning. In the next chapter, we will talk about automating routine tasks. You will learn how to use neural networks to free up your time from repetitive tasks and focus on what's important.